remember the two souls in one. Wanna where I'm going, it's knowing where I'm coming from. I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and I have peace of mind. I'm tired of looking around, who's wondering what I gotta do, or who I'm supposed to
Got a good start, ended up out front the whole time, and that was nice. I stacked with a lot of tear-offs on just in case I didn't get a good start. I mean, obviously, living up here in the Northwest, you ride in the rain a lot.
Decent start, and then was in third for a little bit, finished in fourth, but as you can see, it was really muddy. Ruts were gnarly, track was gnarly, but it's racing.
I'm surrounded by imposters everywhere I turn.
I'm not any good on these, and if I get hurt, my dad will kill me.
Everywhere I turn, am I the only one to notice? I can't be the only one.
Her husband doesn't even know she's doing this.
No, he has no idea.
Be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately.
We're going into the 250C moto right now. Had some bad luck yesterday. Hopefully we can get luck today. We'll see how it goes.
Looking around, who's wondering what I gotta do, or who I'm supposed to be. I don't wanna be anything other than me. I have everyone's attention, please. If you're not like this and that, you're gonna have to leave. I came from the mountain, the crust of creation. My whole situation is made from clay to stone, and now I'm telling everybody I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately. All I have to do is think of me and I have peace of mind.
How do you think the race is gonna go?
Good.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you gonna win?
I'll try.
I don't wanna be anything other than me.